Alright, today I wish to finish this fender up. So it's had a week to dry. We're good. So to finish this fender up, I have to paint my red, and I gotta paint the mount on the forks. So if I can get that done today, tomorrow I can easily get it mounted and routed, the wires. So first thing I'll need to do is get this mast off. So let's see here. No, only the top layer mask. Remember I said it was gonna be a two-parter? There we go. How cool is that? Oh boy, I can't wait to flip it around and see. That looks cool. Alright, so now you can see what I'm talking about, because here's reality. Reality of this brilliant chrome piece and this that looks less than desirable at the moment, doesn't it? So, what I need to do is get this scuffed, masked, painted, and then do some airbrush highlights. Highlights. Alright, so that's it for today then. Tomorrow, hopefully all this paint's dry enough, I can go ahead and get the fender on there. So now if you look, I painted this with a similar style. So it should kind of help start to blend the difference between reality to imagination and match more along this line. Alright, so today I want to put this fender on. First order of business, getting wires run through. There we go. I do know I made it a close fit, so that's why I put them lower than the wheel so they didn't interfere with the wheel. Whew. All right, there we go. like that. All right. All right, while we're inside, let's see how those lights actually look. Doesn't look like there's a whole lot reflecting through around the tire, which is a shame. Whoops. I mean, you can see it's there, but there's not a whole lot around the tire, which really is a shame. I still got that one light on, but you get the picture. Yes. Lights. Looks like we got about 3/4 of a battery. That should get us somewhere. All right, let's get that radio on.
Apply on our website at trinityhealth.org or call our Human Resources Office at 857-5191.
For info on this job and others, go to 1053thefox.com. Keyword Job Connection. From UFOs to government conspiracies, the world is full of the stuff they don't want you to know.
Here's where it gets crazy.
If you found a GPS device on your vehicle, would you remove it or would you just leave it there?
No, you put it on another vehicle. That's obvious.
Each episode dives deep into the world's strangest topics, from hidden history to the bleeding edges of science and beyond. Listen to Stuff They Don't Want You to Know on the iHeartRadio app or wherever you get your podcasts.
Picking up gift cards from Look Aesthetic Atelier. Good for any service or product. Stop by Look Aesthetic Atelier, 13 2nd Avenue Southeast in downtown Minot, or call 500-4615.
It's our tradition. Christmas tree and Christmas weekend on Lone Star Center. Fresh cut, beautiful Christmas trees all around. Trees are inside where it's warm. Greenhouse is filled with thousands of beautiful locally grown poinsettias in red, pink, and white, and fantasy colors. Lowe's has built million trees and roping on many unique and timeless products from Christmas to make shopping at Lowe's Market Center for Christmas trees and poinsettias and your family's holiday tradition. Open 7 days a week until Christmas. Locally grown, locally lived, just west of St. Intersection.
If you struggle as a senior, it can leave you feeling tired.
Put this banana in the toaster.
Now there's Inspire, a sleep apnea treatment that works inside your body with just the click of a remote. That's right, a button. No mask, no hose, just sleep. Inspire, sleep apnea innovation. Inspire is not for everyone. Talk to your doctor to see if it's right for you and review important safety information at inspiresleep.com. Some gifts say, I care about you. Some gifts say, I'm going to wow you. This year, one gift says both. It's the new Oral-B IO.
The electric toothbrush with the irresistible design that dentists will find irresistible for another reason. It improves oral health by delivering the wow of a professional clean feel at home every single day. This year, give the gift of wow. The Oral-B IO. Oral-B, fresh like a pro.
Save money and help out local businesses by clicking on MyNutDeals.com. Save up to 40% on flowers, carpet cleaning, food, and so much more. Just click it with MyNutDeals.com.
Let Boyer & Co. Charcuterie make your holiday merry and bright with their customizable charcuterie serving boards. Full of artisanal meats and cheeses, our boards are the perfect gift for everyone on your nice list.
Commercials all day. What do you know? Well, there we go. So this fender will continue to brighten up like the rest of the paint. So it'll match the back. And you can see them. I don't know how good the camera picks them up, but they're there. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Yes.
And a platinum filter for just $22.98. They're an iconic duo like Salt and Pepper, a hammer and a nail, or holidays and awkward hugs. You can't get one without the other. That's Napa full synthetic and a platinum filter for just $22.98. Quality parts, helpful people. That's Napa know-how.
There you go. That looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Easier than going back to the gym.
It's got a nice fit on it. Looks nice and straight. Paint job matches. Looking good. Job done. See you next time. Buff it up.